Good day, teachers! I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another EdTech video tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert your PowerPoint slides into a graphic interchange format or GIF or GIF. Kayo na bahala kung anong gusto nyong i-pronounce yun. GIF ba or GIF? Comment down below. Ayan. And before we proceed to our video tutorial, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon in order for you to be updated whenever I uploaded new content. So, on to our video.
Ayan. So, we're going to convert this slide to a GIF file. So, for example, I'm done discussing the parts of a quadratic function. So, I would like to send my students a summary. So, pwede naman picturean natin or convert natin sa JPEG. Pero I don't want that to happen. Kasi, bakit nga ba? Boring picture lang. Gusto ko gumagalaw. Gusto ko may effects. Ganun tayo. gusto natin maging creative. So, if you want to be creative, ayan. Ito yung suggestion ko sa inyo. Gawin nating GIF file. Graphic Interchange Format. Tama ba? File. Basta yun. GIF. So, first thing that we need to do, ayan. First thing that we need to do is to go to transition. Dapat yung transition natin, hindi nakaklik si on mouse click. Okay? Kahit hindi nakaklik siya or hindi, masisave pa rin naman siya. Tapos dito, let's select all and our animations. Ayan, our animations, ito, dapat naka after previews or with previews. So, if you want to check yung flow niya, ayan, ito yan. Okay? Na, if you're a video editor, kung nag-e-edit kayo ng video, familiar kayo dito. Kasi pag play natin yan, yan yung animation. Gaano katagal yung animation, and so on and so forth. So, meron tayong nagsabay, meron tayong pagkakasunod-sunod. Now, we can also expand if we want to make it longer or shorter. So, for me, yung first part, yung title, saglit lang yung animation dapat. And yung dulo, ayan, pinahaba natin for 11 seconds. So, malalaman natin kung hanggang saan matatapos yung GIF natin. So, now, kung na-edit nyo na, naayos nyo na yung arrangement ng animation ninyo, pagkakasunod-sunod ng appearance, then we will now proceed to our next step. Our next step is for us to save this. We will save this PowerPoint presentation as, save as, okay, save as, punta tayo sa desktop, okay, desktop, ayan. Okay, we will save this as MP4. Ayan, so save as natin as MP4. Okay, so MP4, it's saving. Okay, so while waiting, ayan, nagre-record tayo. Okay, so while waiting, ayan, panoorin natin yung video. Ayan. Okay, so let's watch the video. Ito yung video file nung ginawa natin from PowerPoint to MP4. So, yan yon. Now, okay. Ayan. So, dyan natapos yung video. Now, what's the next step? Kung na-convert na natin yung slideshow natin to video. After that, we will go to this website, Giphy. Itong Giphy na to, you can log in using your Facebook or you can create your account for free. So, libreng gumawa ng GIF files dito. Pwede kayong kumuha ng GIF files. Actually, yung mga GIF files sa Facebook, dito nanggagaling yung iba. Okay, now, moving on. So, ayan, ito yung file ko. Actually, kakagawa ko lang ng Giphy account. So, punta tayo sa taas. Meron tayong upload at meron tayong create. So, we're going to create or convert our video file to GIF file. Click natin yung create. Ayan. Okay, loading. Okay, so now we have two options here. we have to choose a photo or GIF file. Okay? And meron tayong choose video. So, we will just choose video kasi yun naman yung file natin. From video file to GIF file. So, click natin. Tapos, piliin natin itong parts of a quadratic function. Ayan. So, it's uploading. Okay? Ayan. So, naging GIF na siya. Pero, kung titignan natin, okay, hindi siya kompleto. Parang hanggang vertex lang. So, ang gagawin natin is we're just going to move the duration hanggang sa sagad natin sa dulo na 11 seconds. Kasi hanggang ganoon naman talaga kahaba yung ating video. Okay, so 11 seconds. So, hanggang 11 seconds siya. So, make sure na kompleto yung buong GIF file ninyo. Now, going on or moving on, let's continue to decorate. Decorate. Okay, so here we have different ways in order for us to add some text, stickers, or filters, or drawing. Ayan, pwede tayo mag-add, pero for me, sapat na yan. Kasi ang gusto ko lang naman is magkaroon ng GIF file yung ginawa kong PowerPoint presentation. Okay, for summary purposes. Ayan. So, I will continue to upload. Ayan, lagyan natin ng title. Lagay tayo ng tags. Bakit ako naglalagay nito? Kasi para pag hinanap nila or sinearch ninyo yung quadratic function, parts of a quadratic function, lalabas tong GIF na to dun sa mga options na yan. Okay? Ayan. So, kung may dadagdag pa kayong tags. Okay. So, kung wala na kayong idadagdag na tags para mahanap tong GIF file na ginawa nyo, we will now upload it to GIF. Am I right? Kung tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko ng site na? GIF. Sige. GIF. Ayan. So, upload natin siya sa GIF. Ayan. We are going to wait again. So, tapos na siya mag-upload. We're just waiting for the final output. Ayan. So, meron na tayong GIF files ng parts of a quadratic function. So, ayan. Diba? So, we can just share it sa Facebook. Pwede natin i-share sa Facebook yan. Pwede natin i-tweet yan. Pwede natin ilagay sa Instagram. Pero according to Jiffy, merong problem. So, never mind. Sa Tumblr, sa Pinterest, sa Reddit, gusto nyong i-embed yan sa Sways, pwede yan. Meron tayong code. Ayan, embed natin yan someday. Tapos, meron tayong media, merong copy the link, and yan, pwede natin i-click yung favorite. Okay. So, if you want to save it sa desktop, pwede rin natin yan gawin. So, click Save As. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, lagay natin sa desktop. Lagay natin sa desktop para kita agad. Okay. Ayan. Huwag natin i-rename. Okay. So, GIF. Ayan yung title. Tignan natin kung mag-work. Tignan natin kung mag-work. Ayun! Nag-work. Galing. So, since nag-work siya, ayan.
So, na-convert na natin siya sa video file and also na-convert din natin or tinuruan ko din kayo kung paano mag-convert to graphic interchange format or GIF. So, how can we use it in our teaching or online teaching? You can use this, yung mga GIF na ginawa natin, as a summary for that we can post sa mga wall or sa ating platform. You can use that as your summary para a visual summary of all your topics, of all your discussion. Diba? That's it for today. I hope that you learned a lot in this video tutorial. I know that it is a bit short, but yan. Gusto ko sanang i-share sa inyo yung na-discover ko kahapon. And sobrang na-excite lang ako, kaya gumawa ako ng panibagong video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, suggestions, recommendation, comment down below. Subscribe and do not forget to share this to your fellow teachers. And for more videos like this, please visit my channel, Teacher Justin. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace. Ano ba yung sasabihin? Kalimutan ko yung sasabihin ko. Peace.